Hello everyone, hope you guys are well. So in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to configure the VirtualBox. So here is the interface of VirtualBox, and I already installed in VirtualBox Kali Linux and Android operating system. So whenever I touch Kali Linux or Android, and this is the settings for this operating system. There is many options like new settings, start, discard. So here you can add a operating system in virtually and delete it or modify it. So create virtual machine procedure, just click new, and here is a interface and click name. So I want to create a Mac virtual machine, so I write here Mac and machine folder type and version, my desired version. So I want to make it 64-bit, and this is the custom memory size RAM. You guys can take or use RAM in any aspect like 2 GB, 4 GB, or any customization can be approved, and need to a hard disk space for this virtual Mac. Simply click create, and look guys, here is a interface about Mac. So this is not the end, we need some settings. In basic, in advanced, go to system, and in boot order list, optical is first, then floppy or processor. uh, Here I can take one processor, you guys can take two processor, and need to graphics controller in VGA mode. And this is the file where you download Mac and connected the Mac in virtual machine. And finally, when you do everything complete, just click start. Like I click here Linux,